Find the standard form of the equation of the circle with a center of 4, negative 2, and the circle is tangent to the line x equals 1. First thing you need to know for this problem is what standard form looks like. Looks like this right here. X minus h in parentheses squared plus y minus k in parentheses squared equals r squared. And what we need is we need the h and the k. That represents the center of the circle, which we already have. It's already given to us in the problem here. So we already know the h is 4 and the k is negative 2. The other thing we need is the radius of the circle. And we're going to get the radius of the circle with the information that the circle is tangent to the line x equals 1. Now, tangent means that the circle is going to be touching this line only in one location. The line x equals 1, you need to also know that x equals 1 is a vertical line crossing through 1 on the x-axis. All right, so I have a Cartesian coordinate system here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the center. It's at 4, negative 2, so I'm going to go to the right 4 units, right here. And then the y value is negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2 units. So the center is about right there. All right, next I'm going to draw the vertical line, x equals 1. That's a vertical line crossing through 1 on the x-axis. 1 on the x-axis is right here, so it's going to be a vertical line right here. I'm going to make it a dotted line. This is the line x equals 1. All the points on that line, the x is 1, and then the y value is anything, but the x value is always 1 on that line. All right, so my circle has a center here and is tangent to this dotted line. So this circle, if you think about a circle going around the center, it can only touch this vertical line in one location. It's going to touch right here. It's going to go around. Just try and draw it the best you can. Now, since it's tangent to this line, and this is straight horizontal right here, we know that the radius is simply going to be this distance. So you just count the units. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 units here. So the radius ends up being 3. And there you go. We have all the pieces of information now. We have the h4. I'm going to plug in 4 here. You want to leave this x alone. X minus 4. Plugged in 4 for h. Now I'm going to plug in negative 2 for k. Now this is a minus a negative 2 here. When you subtract a negative number, it's actually adding the number. So I'm going to change this to plus. And then I have the radius that I found here with my picture as 3. So it's going to be 3 squared. All I'm going to do now is clean it up. I'm going to change this to plus, and I'm going to change this to 9. 3 squared is 9. So I have x minus 4 in parentheses squared plus y plus 2 in parentheses squared, and then that's going to equal 9. And there's my answer. Thank you.